Recently, the television program I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here has highlighted a serious and debilitating condition. Gillian McKeith is the latest high-profile celebrity to be outed as being a sufferer of what is known in medical circles as Fakius Falldownius. This terrible and unpredictable condition causes the sufferer to embarrassingly let themselves down on a regular basis. Brooksy, a level 3 diagnosed sufferer of Fakius Falldownius, has been suffering for many years. Normal day life is impossible. Even a trip to the local pub causes major problems in his life. Perhaps most shocking about this little-known disease is how contagious it is and how easily it is spread from celebrity to celebrity. Brooksy's long-term on-air partner Vix has also contracted the disease, making simple things like shopping trips virtually impossible. For these poor souls, a normal, inconspicuous life is beyond their reach. Even being asked to do the dishes can cause a serious bout of Fakius Falldownius. Thank you for watching and help spread the word. If you believe you're affected by the subjects discussed in this short film, please send us your videos so we can help highlight this most challenging and terrifying condition, Fakius Falldownius.